we have discussed like what is meant by Eisenman reaction. Now we are going to have another topic which comes repeatedly in the examination. They will ask you a separate question for 10 marks SN2, and in SN2 what are all the points we have to cover. Are you getting me? So we are having, already we have studied what is SN1 reaction. Similarly we have SN2 reaction. So what does this 2 indicate? Bimolecular. What does the 2 indicate? Bimolecular. What is 1 indicates? Unimolecular. So the rate of the reaction depends on 2 molecules. The rate of the reaction depends on 2 molecules. What are the 2 molecules? Substrate and reactant. What are the 2 molecules? Substrate and the reactant. So separate in the reagent. So you are taking methyl bromide. What you are taking? Methyl bromide. For understanding, I have written the structural formula. The carbon is bounded with 3 hydrogen. This is methyl and this is halogen. So what is the property of halogen? It is a leaving group. The halogen is what? Leaving group. And what it will do? The leaving group have the affinity towards the electrons. Which electrons? Bonding electrons. So always the leaving group takes away the electrons because due to negative inductive effect. What is that effect? Negative inductive effect. So all the halogens will take away the bonding electrons due to negative inductive effect. Negative inductive effect means the atom will have the property of withdrawing the electrons towards itself. The atom will have the property of withdrawing the electrons towards itself. Okay. So what is SN2 reaction? Bimolecular nucleophilic substitution. It takes place in one step. How many steps? One step. The rate of the reaction depends on 2 molecules. What are the 2 molecules? Substrate and the reagent. What are the 2 molecules? Substrate and the reagent. So let us start with the example. What is the example? Methyl bromide reacts with sodium hydroxide to give methanol. Methyl bromide reacts with sodium bromide to give methanol. Okay. So it looks like very simple. There is a chemistry which involves the nature of the halogen, the nature of the bonding atoms, and how many steps, what type of product. Okay, let me brief like this. Here the methyl bromide stands like this, and this is the leaving group, and then hydroxyl group from the sodium hydroxide enters. I'll repeat. The hydroxyl group is having a negative charge. The negative charge are electron rich center. Negative charge is electron rich center. It has attraction towards positive. It has attraction towards positive. So negative has an attraction towards positive. So the incoming nucleophile enters the carbon and the leaving group is going to leave the carbon. So you will get a reactor, you will get a transition state. What is this? Transition state. This transition state looks like a pentavalent. The transition state looks like a pentavalent. Carbon is quadrivalent, carbon with its 4 bonds. But in this transition state, it looks like a pentavalent. The leaving group, the bond is not broken, the bond is not formed. What does it mean? The bond is not broken completely, the bond is not formed completely. So the carbon will take a place like this, hydrogen, and this is leaving group and this is incoming nucleophile. So this is called as umbrella shape. This is called as umbrella shape. So this leaving group is also taking the electron. So it will be rich in electrons. It will be what? Rich in electrons. This is also negative. So this can enter the carbon through the back side. The incoming nucleophile enters the carbon through the backside. So you will get only one product. How many product you will get? One product. That one product will be inverted. That one product will be inverted. So inversion in configuration is called as Walden inversion. Inversion in configuration is called as what? Walden inversion. So somebody asked you to write about Walden inversion means you must write SN2 mechanism. You must write which mechanism? SN2 mechanism. So methyl bromide plus sodium hydroxide. I hope you are clear. Correct, no? So what is the mechanism is inversion in configuration. How many steps mean? One step. What are the molecules means? Two molecules. One is substrate, other one is the reagent. Okay. These are the basic points in SN2.